At the very first time we need to enter our G Suite account. Okay, already I have logged in my G Suite account. Just I have to enter the Gmail and click on this account. After log on the G Suite account, I just need to click the settings button under the settings. This is the interface where I would like to install my HTML email signature. Already I have done, but I would like to remove this previous, and already I have created my clickable HTML email signature. I just open my HTML email signature by Chrome browser. Okay, then Ctrl A and then copy, and I would like to go the settings interface. Then we have to Ctrl plus V. Okay, then I have to scroll down the page and save change button. Click on save change button. Voila, we have done successfully. Okay, then click the compose button. Yeah, hurrah, we have done. Now if we would like to send a mail to a near and dear, just put and just as a subject testing. Okay, hi zone 2. Okay, and as a demo text I just copy learn option, just testing purpose I would like to use this demo text, and then send the button. Okay, I would like to see how my mail signature is working on other account and how it show the other account. Okay, just I leave this and now I'm going to my another Gmail account. Click. Okay, yeah, it will take some time. Yeah, it has Thank you so much for watching.